Hello my love, so today I'm going to sing the theme song Enjoy. Someone like my photos, someone like my videos. I'm so happy to have you as my friend. I'm so happy to have you as my friend. Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to offer you basic English language and Dutch lessons. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to say I love Amsterdam in Dutch language, say ik hou van Amsterdam. If you want to say I love Rotterdam, you say ik hou van Rotterdam. So I'm going to use some goods and services I'm promoting on my website blacknow.me, my fabulous beauties, to create basic English language and Dutch lessons. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to start off with real estate. So if you want to say I love Rottfast, so Rottfast is a good company for renting homes. So if you want to say I love Rottfast in Dutch, you say Calvin Rottfast. If you want to say I love Fonda, you say Calvin Fonda. If you want to say I love Regus, you say Calvin Regus. I love Regus, Calvin Regus. So if you want to say so guys, I'm going to continue with the basic English language and Dutch lessons. So now I'm going to use some cool hotels to create basic English language and Dutch lessons. So let's get started. If you want to say I love Marriott Hotel, you say ik hou van Marriott Hotel. If you want to say Marriott Hotel is very beautiful, Marriott Hotel is super mooi, Marriott Hotel is very beautiful. My lovelies, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this lovely Expiry trouser and this lovely top. So I really like this top, it's so beautiful. It suits my lovely trousers from Esprit. If I do ever want to buy a car, I do buy a big Toyota, a big Range Rover, a big Ferrari. If I ever want to buy a car, I do buy a big Toyota, a big Hyundai, a big BMW. For my hair, I like to use the shampoo and conditioning item. So I also like to use, has been watching my videos, you must have seen me talk about biochemistry, my study experience at Dundee, Scotland, and also Saints of Edinburgh. So today I'm going to talk about me as a biochemist and also as a master holder in marketing and management and also strategic management. So biochemistry study was great. I had fun and I'm able to understand how chemical reactions occurs and how things can affect you, like excess if you eat excess amino acid, excess protein, how it will end up on your body, and carbohydrates. So it might even end up after 1 year ingesting too much carbohydrate. If you're an elderly like 50 or 60, if you eat too much sugar, you might end up having diabetes. And if you eat too much protein, it might affect your urine, because amino acid, when it's the end product of protein is amino acid, and when there is too much acid in the body, it might affect your urine, and that is not so good for the body. So I thought, let me talk about a little bit of biochemistry in management. So why did I study management? Management is important because I tend to manage myself better as a biochemist. So I'm able to manage my time, and I'm able to manage my activities, and of course be able to communicate with businesses. So that's why I did study marketing and management. So I'm just going to apply it like this. Guys, so this is a lovely hair care product from Kern. This is what I use to wash my hair. This is my current body lotion. So this is the quantity now I've used from it. I really like it. It smells really good. You guys should give it a try from the Body Shop. Guys, after washing myself properly, I like to apply this Dove Advanced Care underneath my arms. So this will keep my body smelling fresh the whole day. I highly recommend you use Dove skincare products, body wash and body cream. Dove is a great brand you can buy from Cravat, Ethos, Trekpleister, in the Netherlands. If you live in the United States of America, in cities such as New York, Boston, Houston, you can buy this from Walmart supermarket, any Walmart supermarket. Here you can buy this item. So this is how the bond cushion looks like. So I actually apply this underneath my wig. This video is dedicated to travelers worldwide. So let's assume you're traveling from India or you're traveling from South Africa or Johannesburg, to be precise, to New York City. You may want to know where to eat delicious food. So you may want to eat at the Red Lobster in New York. So you have Red Lobster in New York, Red Lobster restaurants in Florida, and so many other cities. You may be wondering, which hotel may I stay? So you may want to stay at Hilton Hotel in New York City or the Hyatt Hotel. So my website, ekenepatience.com, on the top page I'm promoting Hyatt Hotel in New York, in Amsterdam, and so many other cities. So these are great hotels. So it's important to know where to eat, where to sleep, where to visit. For example, if you're traveling to Paris, you may want to visit Disneyland. Many people love to stay at Disneyland. For hotels, you may want to go to Paris Nord. At Paris Nord you have some cool hotels. Or you may want to stay at the Novotel Hotel in Paris, or Ibis Hotel in Paris, or Sheraton, Hilton. You just can't go wrong by staying at the international, multinational hotels. These hotels has high standard and are suitable for travelers. So like I said, this video is about beauty, fashion, health, travel consultancy. Please check out my other videos to find out more. If you guys want me to create beauty related content, fashion related content, you can contact me. And by the way, I'm a short story writer, so whenever you're traveling, it's important to have a good short story to read. So if you go on my website, ekenepatience.com/short stories, you'll find my short stories you can read. Actually, my short stories are for sale, but I publish them on my website, blackrun.me, and myfabulousbeauties.com. And also I publish my pictures, but actually they are for sales, of course. I'm a photo model. Why do I sell my pictures? Why do I sell my website design gig? Why am I not doing it for free? Well, the reason why is very obvious. I need to eat, I need to look good, I have to pay for filming space, I have to pay for travel expenses, for self-care items. So that's why I charge little fee. Donators are highly welcome. If you wish to donate, you are highly welcome. And if you want to visit Lagos, Nigeria for business, you can contact me. If you wish to know where to stay at Lagos, Nigeria, you can stay at great hotels such as the Radisson Blue Hotel in Ikeja, Radisson Blue in Victoria Island. You can stay at the Echo Hotel in Lagos, Nigeria. You can stay at the Victoria Crown Plaza. You can stay at the Federal Palace Hotel in Lagos, Nigeria. You can stay at the Envoy Hotel in Abuja, Hilton Hotel in Abuja. You may want to stay at the Radisson Blue Hotel in other cities in Lagos. And of course, you have other cool hotels such as Toscana, right? You have Toscana Hotel. You have in Benin City. You have the Marriott Hotel in Benin City, of course, and also in Lagos you have the Four Point Sheraton Hotel in Lagos. Okay, so these are great hotels you may want to stay at whenever you visit Nigeria. For food, you may want to eat at Home and Away restaurant in Benin City. Home and Away restaurant is very good. You can eat at the Kilimanjaro restaurant in Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria. You may want to eat at the place, or the place is a good eatery. Kilimanjaro has great food. You may also want to eat at the restaurants at Echo Hotel, Lagos, Nigeria. Please find out more information on ekenepatience.com/food. Sorry, I do not have everything off heart. I didn't memorize everything. but I enlisted some top-notch restaurants. I've also enlisted some great airlines you may want to fly with whenever you're traveling, so these contents I create to help travelers worldwide to achieve a more fabulous travel experience. So on ekenepatience.com you'll find some cool travel agencies such as ekenepatience.com/airlines. You'll find KLM, you'll find the Air France, you would find Air Peace, you would find the Aero Contractor, you'll find American Airways, Swiss Airways, you would find the Turkish Airways, Lufthansa, and more. So these are great airlines you may want to fly with. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a beauty IT health consultant. I create fashion, makeup related content on my channel. If you wish to order my gigs, you're highly welcome to do so. I'm registered on Fiverr. I do Fiverr gigs. So what kind of gigs do I do? I can create a nice blog post for you. I can create a lovely rhyme. I create songs. So by the way, speaking of rhymes, I'm going to sing the theme song of today. So the theme song for today is titled Old Good Love. I want that same love, that old good love.